Your entry door does more than simply welcome guests, it sets the tone for your entire home. In a lively and charming community like Lafayette, homeowners often look for doors that offer both style and everyday practicality. Whether you're updating your home's exterior or completing a full renovation, choosing the right door style can greatly enhance curb appeal while improving comfort, safety, and functionality. Here are the top door styles that Lafayette homeowners love for beauty, performance, and long-lasting value. Classic panel doors. Timeless and versatile panel entry doors remain one of the most popular options in Lafayette neighborhoods. With clean lines and traditional raised or recessed panels, these doors complement homes ranging from historic to modern. Why Lafayette homeowners choose panel doors? They offer a timeless, welcoming appearance available in wood, fiberglass, or steel, easy to customize with paint or stain, durable enough for Louisiana's warm, humid climate. Panel doors are both elegant and practical, making them a reliable choice for homeowners who want curb appeal without sacrificing everyday functionality. Craftsman doors. Perfect for charming Louisiana homes, craftsman-style doors have grown increasingly popular in Lafayette thanks to their warm, handcrafted look. Featuring a combination of vertical lines, sturdy frames, and small glass panes near the top, craftsman doors bring character and texture to any home. Key benefits. Ideal for bungalows, cottages, and traditional southern homes. Sturdy, solid construction, decorative glass that lets in natural light while maintaining privacy. Aesthetic appeal that instantly enhances curb appeal. The craftsman design adds a cozy, handcrafted touch that stands out beautifully in Lafayette's diverse neighborhoods. Modern doors. Sleek style for contemporary homes. If your Lafayette home features clean lines and a minimalist look, modern entry doors are a standout choice. These doors emphasize simplicity through smooth surfaces, bold colors, and horizontal or vertical glass accents. Why homeowners love modern doors? Dramatic curb appeal with a contemporary edge available in durable steel, fiberglass, or aluminum. Often include narrow glass panels for added light. Pair well with modern renovations and updated exteriors. A modern style door instantly refreshes your home's entrance, giving it a polished and upscale appearance. Glass entry doors. Bright, airy, and elegant. Glass entry doors, whether full light, half light, or accented with decorative panels, are a favorite among Lafayette homeowners who want to maximize natural light. These doors create an open, airy feel while still offering security and energy efficiency. Glass door benefits include enhanced brightness inside the home, beautiful exterior appeal. Options for frosted, textured, or tinted glass for privacy, improved visibility and connection to outdoor spaces. For homeowners who want a brighter, more welcoming entryway, glass doors are an excellent choice. Rustic and farmhouse doors. Warmth and southern charm. Rustic and farmhouse doors continue to trend across Louisiana for their cozy, down-to-earth style. Featuring natural wood textures, iron accents, and bold hardware, these doors bring authentic character to any home. Perfect for homeowners who love a warm, inviting exterior. Natural materials and earthy tones, a blend of classic and modern southern aesthetics. Farmhouse doors beautifully complement Lafayette's traditional homes and lush landscapes. Double entry doors. Grand, sophisticated, and functional for larger homes or those with wide porch areas, double entry doors make a bold statement. They create a grand entrance that immediately boosts curb appeal while offering practical benefits. Advantages include a spacious, elegant entryway, easier movement of furniture and large items, multiple design options, from classic to contemporary, enhanced symmetry and visual balance. Double doors are perfect for homeowners looking to elevate their home's appearance with a luxurious touch. Choosing the perfect door for your Lafayette home. The right door not only boosts curb appeal but also enhances your home's functionality, comfort, and security. Whether you prefer the warmth of a craftsman door, the charm of a farmhouse design, or the sleek look of a modern entry door, Lafayette offers countless styles to match your taste and lifestyle. If you're ready to upgrade your home's entrance, these top door styles provide lasting beauty and value, helping your Lafayette home stand out in the most stunning way.